Oh yeah. Master Shifu. Ano, favorite ko ngayon yung Kung Fu Panda eh. Galing, no? Araw-araw pinapanood. Wala na ibang patapos sa bahay namin kasi dahil sa ano. Kung Fu Panda, Master Shifu. Tama na, Donel. Ayaw yan, tingin tulog. Meow, 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 meow. Speaking of movies, friends, alam mo ba si Batman, si Christian Bale? Christian Bale na-aresto last week because of harassing his family. Hinaharas niya yung pamilya niya, pare, ha? Si Batman, ha? So, nakalabas na ngayon, so si Christian Bale is now on bail. Ha? Christian Bale is now on bail. Hindi. Ang sabi niya, this is true, friends, ang sabi niya, nagbibiro lang daw naman siya. So, si Christian Bale pala, si Batman, is the Joker in the family. Pre, si Pacman, ito ba, si Pacman tatakbo ulit, ha? Si Pacman. Nagulat nga ako eh. Tatakbo na muna. Ewan nga ba, no? But anyways, maybe, you know, he has public service in his heart. Buhay ka, Pacman. But nakakatawa nun, as early as now, sabi sa kanya yung tumalo sa kanya, yung pagkapanalo daw ni Pacman, eh suntok sa buwan. Aboy, Philippines. Paano ko si De La Hoyes, bad boy. Ay, golden boy pala, golden boy. Golden boy. Ha? Oh, magandang laban yun, pare, no? Golden boy, tsaka si Pacman. Of course, Pacman pa rin tayo. Alright. Friends, sabi nga nung ibang mga galit kay Pacman ng pagtakbo ni Pacman, lightweight champion ka na. Lightweight, pare. So before you become a congressman, it's going to be a long wait. Lightweight, long wait. Friends, last but not the least, si Robin Padilla. Again, we were talking about it. Siya yung, siya yung magiging Totoy Pato eh. Diba? Galing, bago ng Rob, galing, ganda nun, pare, Totoy Pato. Of course, ang original niyan is ang immortal FPJ. Ating idol si FPJ. Anyways, baka daw labanan ng channel to eh. Humahanap pa sila eh. Pero our very good friend, si Boy Abunda, magdatayo rin, kalaban yung Totoy Bato. Ang title ng Totoy Patuo. Totoy Patuo. Kalaban ng boy. Aray ko. Anyway, friends, we have a great show for you tonight because tonight it's going to be Congressman Ed Shalcida, si Edsa, singing Congressman, and we have the very sexy Page exclusive dancers. Stay with us here on a Good Night Show. Thanks.